Where was the first Academy Awards ceremony held? Dolby Theatre, Blossom Room of the Hollywood Roosevelt Hotel, Grauman's Chinese Theatre, or Beverly Hills Hotel? Correct answer is Blossom Room of the Hollywood Roosevelt Hotel. On what date was the first Academy Awards ceremony held? April 15th, 1928, June 21st, 1929, May 16th, 1929, or March 27th, 1929. Correct answer is May 16th, 1929. Which time period did the first Academy Awards honor movies from? January 1st, 1928 to December 31st, 1928, August 1st, 1927 to August 1st, 1928, June 1st, 1926 to June 1st, 1927, or September 1st, 1928 to September 1st, 1929. Correct answer is August 1st, 1927 to August 1st, 1928. Who was the first actor to win the Oscar for Best Actor? Richard Barthelmess, Emil Jannings, Charlie Chaplin, or Douglas Fairbanks? Correct answer is Emil Jannings. For which films did Emil Jannings win the Oscar for Best Actor? The Noose and the Patent Leather Kid, The Circus and the Jazz Singer, The Last Command and The Way of All Flesh, or The Broadway Melody and All Quiet on the Western Front? Correct answer is The Last Command and The Way of All Flesh. Who was the first actress to win the Oscar for Best Actress? Louise Dresser, Gloria Swanson, Bette Davis, or Janet Gaynor? Correct answer is Janet Gaynor. Janet Gaynor won the Oscar for Best Actress for her performances in which of the following films? Seventh Heaven, Street Angel, and Sunrise, A Ship Comes In, and Sadie Thompson, The Broadway Melody and All Quiet on the Western Front, or Gone with the Wind and Rebecca? Correct answer is Seventh Heaven, Street Angel, and Sunrise. Who won the Oscar for Best Art Direction? Rochus Gleeser, Harry Oliver, Cedric Gibbons, or William Cameron Menzies? Correct answer is William Cameron Menzies. Which of the following films won the Oscar for Best Art Direction? Seventh Heaven and Street Angel, Sunrise and A Ship Comes In, The Dove and Tempest, or Metropolis and The Noose? Correct answer is The Dove and Tempest. Which film won the Oscar for Best Cinematography at the first Academy Awards? The Devil Dancer, Sunrise, The Magic Flame, or Sadie Thompson? Correct answer is Sunrise. Who were the cinematographers that won the Oscar for Best Cinematography for Sunrise? Charles Rosher and Carl Struss, George Barnes and Harry Oliver, Rochus Gleeser and William Cameron Menzies, or George Barnes and Carl Struss? Correct answer is Charles Rosher and Carl Struss. Who won the Oscar for Best Directing Comedy Picture at the first Academy Awards? Ted Wilde, Buster Keaton, Charlie Chaplin, or Louis Milestone? Correct answer is Lewis Milestone. Which film won the Oscar for Best Directing Comedy Picture at the first Academy Awards? Speedy, The Circus, Two Arabian Nights, or Steamboat Bill Jr.? Correct answer is Two Arabian Nights. Who won the Oscar for Best Directing Dramatic Picture at the first Academy Awards? Frank Borzage, Herbert Brenno, King Vidor, or Cecil B. DeMille? Correct answer is Frank Borzage. Which film won the Oscar for Best Directing Dramatic Picture at the first Academy Awards? The Crowd, Sorrel and Son, Seventh Heaven, or Sunrise? Correct answer is Seventh Heaven. Who won the Oscar for Best Engineering Effects at the first Academy Awards? Ralph Hamaras, Roy Pomeroy, Nugent Slaughter, or Douglas Shearer? Correct answer is Roy Pomeroy. For which film did Roy Pomeroy win the Oscar for Best Engineering Effects? Wings, Metropolis, The Crowd, or Sunrise? Correct answer is Wings. Which film won the Oscar for Outstanding Picture at the first Academy Awards? Seventh Heaven, The Racket, Metropolis, or Wings? Correct answer is Wings. Which production company won the Oscar for Outstanding Picture for the film Wings? Fox, Paramount Famous Lasky, The Caddo Company, or Universal Pictures? Correct answer is Paramount Famous Lasky. Which film received a special award at the first Academy Awards for its versatility and genius in writing, acting, directing, and producing? Sunrise, The Jazz Singer, The Circus, or Wings? Correct answer is The Circus. Which film was awarded a special award at the first Academy Awards for being a pioneering, outstanding talking picture which has revolutionized the industry? The Jazz Singer, The Racket, Seventh Heaven, or Metropolis? Correct answer is The Jazz Singer. Which film won the Oscar for Unique and Artistic Picture at the first Academy Awards? The Crowd, Wings, Sunrise, or Chang? Correct answer is Sunrise. Which production company was awarded the Oscar for Unique and Artistic Picture for the film Sunrise? Paramount Famous Lasky, Fox, Metro-Goldwyn-Mayer, or Universal Pictures? Correct answer is Fox. Who won the Oscar for Best Writing Adaptation at the first Academy Awards? Anthony Coldewey, Alfred Cohn, Benjamin Glazer, or Francis Marion? Correct answer is Benjamin Glazer. For which film did Benjamin Glazer win the Oscar for Best Writing Adaptation? The Jazz Singer, Sunrise, Glorious Betsy, or Seventh Heaven? Correct answer is Seventh Heaven. Who won the Oscar for Best Writing Original Story at the first Academy Awards? Lajos Biro, Ben Hecht, Alfred Cohn, or Anthony Coldewey? Correct answer is Ben Hecht. For which film did Ben Hecht win the Oscar for Best Writing Original Story? The Last Command, The Jazz Singer, Underworld, or Wings? Correct answer is Underworld. Who won the Oscar for Best Writing, Title Writing at the first Academy Awards? Joseph Farnham, Gerald Duffy, George Marion Jr., or Ben Hecht? Correct answer is Joseph Farnham.
Please join our journey. Subscribe, share, and stay updated.